Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can use the Wix AI website builder. So let's get right into it. Now, once you create your site, or while you're actually creating it, when you first register, you will get the option to use AI to build your site, to enter some prompts that are to your liking or to describe the site that you would like to host, and then the AI will build a site for you. However, if you've already made something and you already have a website in the editor, you can also use AI by going to the bottom left and using AI tools right over here. Once you click that, as you can see, you can find AI tools to complete and launch your site faster. You can create text for a page. You can have a text creator, a section generator, or a theme assistant. For example, if I go to the theme assistant, as you can see, I can change colors. And how do I change the colors across my site? And the theme assistant will pretty much give you an answer about your question. This is basically for help, and this is to, pretty much allow you to more easily create your site. Now, as you can see, which option would you like to choose to change the colors across your site? You can select one of these, and I'll just go generate theme colors from a text description. So let's just say text description. And then it will actually, give you this, as you can see, and it's going to change. As you can see, I have opened the panel for you to generate a color theme based on a text description. You can now describe the colors you want for your site. Let's say warm summer colors, for example, tropical, for example, I don't know. Just write whatever you want, and as you can see, the theme assistant will go ahead and change it for you. And as you can see, it will give you some suggestions, and you can then take those suggestions to heart, and you can actually access this. And let's go for coral, palm green, and sunny yellow from the suggestions, and it should get you some ideas, and it should give you a prompt. And as you can see, it'll give you these hex values, which you can then see here, and you can also generate the theme from AI. For example, over here, as you can see, this is where you'll get your suggestions, and this is where you can describe it. So for example, let's say coral, palm green, and sunny yellow, and you just click generate, and it'll then generate the color scheme for your site. As you can see, it's generating it over here. As you can see, you can pick whichever one of these you'd like. I like this one the best. And as you can see, it changed the color scheme, except these are, as you can see, media images or GIFs. So it's going to change whatever it can change. You can choose whichever color scheme you'd like, and it's going to change your website to look like that. Now, this page is not the best representative for that. For example, let's go to the new page, and it should look a bit different. As you can see, it's lighter. This used to be pretty much black or very, very dark blue, but now it is bright, and that is basically how you use the text or the AI editor. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.